Yo, what's up everybody? Nick here, and I'm back with another electrical video. Pulled this panel out of a house just now, and it was in good shape, and I don't have one of these in my collection, so I thought I'd keep it. It's a Murray. Oh, I've heard that Murray panels were unsafe, and that Murray panels needed to be replaced. I'd never seen a Murray panel before, but now here's one, and now if you know, you know, but I didn't know, so here we go. This is what it looks like inside. It's a fuse box. I didn't know Murray was a fuse box. So there it is. It's really narrow. We'll look at the inside in a minute. Look at that. The label is in great shape. 100 amp, 120, 240. Isn't that cool? All right, check it out. Got 2 fuses here per cartridge. Wait a minute, 60 amp, it's 100 amp panel, what gives? Oh, look at those things. Those are old Royal No-Arc. That's really cool. Here we go. Lighting and appliances. Range. Is this a split bus panel like we talked about before? I don't know. Honestly, I don't know much about these. This definitely predates me by quite a bit. So, true disconnect this panel, remove all pullers. There you go. So these, they call these Edison style fuses. They unscrew. And that's what it looks like. This one's good. So you can tell that discolored portion of the metal next to the skinny piece. Well, okay, so when the fuse blows, that little skinny piece of metal melts. And I've heard guys, let's see, it says 20 there. I've heard of people putting pennies down in there and then screwing the fuse back in, so the penny will contact the terminal on the back and then also the screw shell. And then you got like a, I don't know, 200 amp fuse. That is the penny. Well, it's obviously really unsafe, but I guess it gets you out of a pinch when your fuse blows in the middle of the night. Well, here we go, open it up. So check it out. There's a screw here. This friction tightens it. And then this is the top. And it's just got dimples to hold it in. So one screw holds it together. And it is on the inside. Put everything back the way it was. Again, look how good a condition this is in. Proof that these old panels, if they're not installed in, I'm missing a screw here. If they're not installed in damp, drippy basements, they can actually withstand time fairly well. So, I should have gotten a picture of it before I pulled it out. Let's see. A phase, B phase, I think. Maybe it's more like A phase, B phase, because then you got a tap down here coming off the left hand side for each one into here. Not much neutral bar, and we're missing a screw there too. Don't have a lot more to say about this one. Again, this is predating me by, oh, goes over here, look. That QA cuts goes there, and this fatter one goes there, and they don't interchange. So like I said, this thing predates me by quite a bit. So I'm going to donate this to the school so that more people can see it than just me. Although I'd kind of like to keep it for my collection. Like I said, I don't have one. Really good shape Murray panel, aka fuse box. If you like seeing this stuff, maybe think about checking out the other videos I've got on electrical gizmos and gadgets. I'm going to put a playlist together for that today or tomorrow, and it'll be linked here. All right, guys, until you see me again, I'll see you later. Have a good one.